In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer a property between businesses in QuickBooks Online. We'll walk through how to record this using a journal entry so that your books stay accurate for both the business that's giving up the property and the business that's receiving it. This is especially helpful if you manage multiple companies or locations under the same ownership and need to move an asset from one set of books to another. First, sign in to the QuickBooks Online company where you need to record the transfer. At the top of the screen, look for the New button, often labeled with a plus sign. Click that, and from the menu that appears, choose Journal Entry. This opens a new journal entry form where you'll record the movement of the property. Start by filling in the date of the transfer. Use the actual date the property moved from one business to the other, not just today's date, so your financial reports reflect what really happened. You can also add a reference number if your business uses them. This might match a document number, an internal transfer form, or whatever system you use to keep track of asset movements. It's there to help you find this entry easily later. Now look at the first line in the journal entry. In the category column, choose the asset account that represents the property in the books of the business that is transferring it out. This is usually a fixed asset account, such as buildings, equipment, or vehicles, depending on what kind of property you're moving. If you're not sure which account to pick, it's a good idea to check your chart of accounts or consult with your accountant. In the debit column on that same line, enter the value of the asset that you are transferring. This should be the amount you want removed from the first business's books, typically the book value of the asset at the time of transfer. On the next line, go back to the category column and select the asset account for the business that is receiving the property. Again, this should be the appropriate fixed asset account for that property in the receiving company's books. In the credit column on this second line, enter the same amount you used in the debit column. This keeps the journal entry balanced and records the asset correctly. Finally, add a clear description for the journal such as transfer of property between businesses, and include any internal notes that will help you or your accountant understand it later. Once everything looks correct, click Save to record the entry.